Hello all, welcome back to yet another problem. Today let us solve the Lead Codes daily challenge and the problem is word pattern. And before jumping into the problem, I wish you a very happy new year. Yeah, let us solve today's Lead Code daily challenge. Given a pattern and a string yes, find if yes follows the same pattern. Here follow means a full match such that there is a bijection between a letter in pattern and a non-empty word in yes. So what do they say is if this is the pattern a is a pattern, so if a is matched with some word, that word should be matched with only a, so there should be a bijection between these two, between the matches between this character and that particular word. That is what they mean. So this is the word and this is the sentence: dog, cat, cat, dog. So for this A, let us first try to add the bijection between them. So A is mapped with dog, then B is mapped with cat. If this is satisfied, you can see this sentence can be converted to A, B. We can replace the cat with B, and again we can replace this cat with B, and again then we can replace this dog with A, and you can see we have reached the pattern which is given. So we have the same pattern A B B A, so we can return true. So we want to find whether this sentence is following the given pattern. So let us see the example 2 and let us analyze the same thing. And the pattern is same A B B A, and the given word is dog, cat, cat, fish. So if we map A with dog, then if we map B with cat, then there is an another B, but you can see uh, B is already mapped with cat, so again we can say B is mapped with cat only, so there is a bijection, no problem. But when you see A, already we are having a dog in A, that is A is mapped with dog. But since A is mapped with dog, but here we do not have the word dog, here we have a word fish. So there is a conflict. So A cannot be mapped with two words, dog and a fish. So there should be bijection. Bijection means one-to-one mapping. If A is mapped with dog, dog is mapped with A, then A should not be mapped with any other word like fish. So here the here this does not follow the pattern. A B B A is not followed, so we return false. So hope you get the logic what I'm saying. So let us take the example 3 as well. So in example 3, the pattern is A. As you can see, this is the sentence given. If A is mapped with dog, then there is an another A, then the pattern in the sense, then the word mapped with A is dog, but here there is a word cat. So so there is a conflict between the pattern and the given sentence, and this does not follow the pattern. So it is as simple as that. What I'm meaning to say is there should be a one-to-one mapping between the character and the word. So for maintaining a one-to-one mapping, so this is the example. So let us analyze some more. So as we are going to map the character with the word, and we are going to make use of map data structure, and to maintain the bijection between them, so we can have two maps in the sense, one map is going to map a character to a word, and the other map is going to map a word to a character. So when we traverse this word, when we traverse the character or a word, if we are not map if we did not map any character with a word, then we try to map that character with a word. That is, as you can see, this A and dog is not initially in the map, in two maps. So what we do is, in map 1 we will map A to dog, and in map 2, this is consider this is map 1, and in map 2 we will map dog to A. So once this is done, we will go to the next character and the next word. In the next character and the next character, this B is the character and cat is the word, and you can see it is not yet mapped, so we will map b and b with cat and cat with b. Just a minute. So it is simple, we are going to maintain two maps, so we will try to code, then you will get the understanding even better. So we need a map of char to word, sorry, char to word in the sense it is string, let us say mp1, and another map of string to char, and this is mp2, and we are going to iterate, so we can have one pointer int I equals to 0, and what we can do is, yeah, we can have a pointer I equals to 0, and we can also traverse the string using string stream. So yeah, I will create a string stream buffer which is ss, and I'm passing this yes, and I'm also having a string word, and now I'm going to traverse get line of the string stream word, and I'm going to separate the string by the delimiter space. So now this while loop will get each word. So this by this what we can do is we will be getting the words, and we can store that words in a vector. So we can say it as words dot push back of this word. So this string stream is helpful to separate the sentences by some delimiter. So vector of strings words. So now we have a words vector, and now it is easy to traverse. We can first have this base condition. What is the base condition? Is nothing but if my pattern dot size is not equals to words dot size, then we can just return false, because we can never form a pattern at all, because there are many words or many characters in the pattern. So this will be the base condition, and we can take the size of the words vector now, int n is equal to words dot size. And now what we can do is we can run a for loop for int I equals to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Now if it is not mapped, if my mp character ch is nothing but pattern of I, and word is nothing but words of I. Now we have the word and the character ch. So if my mp1 dot find of this character is not equal to mp1 dot end, if this character is already present, then it should be mapped with some word, right? So if my map one is having that character already, then that should be mapped with some word. So we want to check whether this word, current word, is equal to this mp1 of ch. But if it is not equal to mp1 of this character, then we can directly return false. So this is the condition for first map, and the same condition we are going to check with word to word character map. If my mp2 dot find of this current word is already mapped with already mapped in my mp2, then we want to check that character is equal to this current character. So if my character ch is not equal to mp2 of word, then we can directly return false. So hope you understand. If it is not mapped at all, then mp1 of this character is word, mp2 of this word is my current character, and at the end of the day we can return true. It is as simple as that. Now let us try to run our code. The time complexity for the solution will be order of n, and the space complexity will be an order of n plus m. We are having two maps, so it is as simple if we maintain two maps and we are using a string stream instead of creating the words. Hope you like the solution, and let me know in the comments if there are any suggestions. This is the code given. So let us see in tomorrow's LeetCode daily challenge. Until then, bye.